I'm Sachthemotive, let me motivate you. We're gonna find out if we can fry cheese. Let's go. We have simply mild white cheddar cheese. I'm gonna slice a block. I have a block of cheese. I'm gonna cut about that much. Damn, cheese is hard to cut. We're gonna fry this part and we're gonna see what happens to it. I hope it's edible because I love cheese. Oil is heating up, so when the oil's nice and hot, I'll chuck the cheese in. Right, we're gonna put the cheese in. For safety, we're gonna put it from a distance, so I don't know how it's gonna react. So let's go. Can you fry cheese? Just in case it pops, I'm gonna keep that in front, but looks like it's frying well. There's a lot of fleshing going on. It looks okay for now. Remember, do not try this at home. That is a block of cheese. Okay, it looks like it's not gonna pop or anything, so I'm gonna pull it out a little bit. Hold it. Hold it. There it is. It's just melting. That's all that's happening. The cheese is gone. I can smell it. That's what happens to a block of cheese if you fry it. It's just melting. That's all that's happening. It's just melted cheese. And it's stuck to the sides now. This is what happens when you fry cheese. I got my old man switching at me now. Look at him. He is vexed. This is what happens to a block of cheese if you fry it. Do not try that at home. Doesn't work. I'm Sachthemotive. Let me motivate you. Over and out.